Hello friends, welcome to Yadnya Investment Academy. So this video is for our English speaking people crowd. So we have made this video in Hindi also, why real estate prices are not going up in India or why real estate prices are so stagnant in India. So we'll try and reason out these things, and let us hope that you will find this video a little useful. So the main reason why this real estate prices are not going up, the first reason, first and the most important reason, was exponential growth we have seen between 2003 to 2013. So 2003 to 2013, we have seen this asset class, real estate asset class, going up by close to 30 to 35% per annum. So that is the kind of growth we have seen in this asset class. When your economy was growing at 7 to 8% per annum. So you cannot have a risk premium of close to 20 to 25% over your GDP growth. So this is not going to be very sustainable. So that is the main reason why we are seeing corrections in real estate. So there are two types of corrections. So now we will list down what are the kind of corrections we are seeing in real estate. The first correction is price correction. So where the prices will fall. And the second correction is time correction. This is the most important correction which is happening in India. So what is time correction? So on the same price we will see a longer horizon like 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17. So these are the kind of corrections we are seeing in Indian markets. There are some pockets like Delhi or NCR regions where we are seeing some kind of price corrections, but most of India is looking at time correction. Since last 3-4 years, we have not seen any kind of returns in real estate as an asset class. So that is another problem for real estate was demonetization. So after demonetization, there were the kind of cash deals earlier used to happen. Those kind of deals are not happening. So automatically, a kind of correction happened. I will give you a case study of Pune city particularly because we belong to Maharashtra area. So that's why we can give you. You can relate this case study with Bangalore. You can relate this case study with Hyderabad and Chennai and Delhi, NCR, or Tier 2, Tier 3 cities also. What happened between, if suppose somebody would have passed in 2005, okay, passed. So as an engineer, we'll take an example of an engineer. So he was withdrawing close to 15 to 20,000 per month. The prices outskirts of Pune at that time were 7 to 8 lakhs rupees for 2 BHK. So a 2 BHK was affordable at 7 to 8 lakhs rupees. So from home, that guy or girl used to get around 1 or 2 lakhs rupees, and with 5-6 lakhs rupees of loan, they were comfortably buying a real estate. That is their first home. So from 15 to 20,000, it was possible to take out 5-6,000 rupees per month. That was possible. Now, the same engineer who is joining workforce, he is earning close to 25k to 30k. And starting price of a 2 BHK in a city like Pune or Mumbai, outskirts of Mumbai or outskirts of Pune, is between 40 to 50 lakhs. This guy with 25 to 30,000 rupees of salary is not able to buy this home. That is his first home. So this, if he will be able to do this, then this will be called a genuine buying, means consumption kind of buying. So this bulk buying is not happening in India, and that is the main reason why real estate prices are not going up. Means this real estate as an asset class is not affordable now. Another thing, the reason why real estate prices are not going up, government is focusing on affordable housing. Housing for all till 2022, everybody should have a home, whether it is 1 RK, 1 room kitchen or 1 BHK or what like that. So they are focusing on that. So government is also not in mood to allow real estate prices to go up substantially. Maybe an inflation kind of 2-3%, 4% is quite possible, but that is also not affordable because people are not going and buying that thing. So they are giving different kind of subsidies to buy these homes and all those things. But still, so this is different. So these kind of affordable houses will not have amenities, more of the amenities. So these will be simple standalone buildings or something like that. So that we will have to understand. So that's why they have made for big projects, like if you have more than 5-6 buildings, so you will have to construct affordable housing space also in that. So that is the main reason. Government wants a home for everybody. So if everybody wants home, then prices cannot go like that. So this is another main reason. So until and unless this bulk buying starts coming in real estate, means either your salaries will go up or prices will go down. Until unless this demand supply matches, we are not going to see real estate prices going up for longer horizon. So if you have grown by 30 to 35% for a decade, almost 10 years, then we should not be surprised for next 10 years you will see a kind of time correction where your earlier returns will be rationalized. So this is quite possible. So we will go, at least that is our feeling, we are not suggesting you. So this is our feeling that you should take decisions on depending on this video, but we are just trying to give our perspective on real estate prices. So you should think about it. If you are buying a home for consumption and you are in a capacity to do that, definitely you should go and buy that. You must have seen our video rent versus buy. Rent versus buy a home. In that you will find that renting a home is more practical rather than buying a home. But this depends on person to person. If you are not comfortable renting a home for longer horizon, there is no point in doing that. Your ultimate objective should be peace of mind. So if you want to buy and you are in a position to buy a home and that is your first home, definitely you should go and buy a home. But if you are thinking real estate as an investment option, so then we are not suggesting particular people to go and buy a real estate. This is not a time to buy a real estate. If you are doing it for consumption, definitely you can go and buy. But for as an investment, we still feel that next 3-4 years or 5 years, the sluggishness would continue. So always watch these things before buying or making a big decision. Do not take impulsive decisions in real estate. Normally people make a lot of impulsive decisions by buying a real estate. So friends, we hope that you would have liked this video. If you have liked this video, please share it with your friends and family members. We have started a new section on YouTube, that is membership drive. So YouTube has given us that opportunity to give some extra services to viewers. So we are going and doing a lot of research work in particularly in investment side. So if you are interested, you can join our membership drive. So there is a fees of some 150 rupees or something like that per month on that thing. So if we are not saying that we will not release free videos, we are going to release free videos as we are doing earlier also. So over the longer horizon also we will keep on doing, but those research videos will be very long videos of 20 minutes, 30 minutes or maybe 40 minutes. So we are hiring a lot of people, CFAs, CAs for tax related things and CFAs for investment related things. So we are growing our team size. So we hope that you understand that. So we are asking people to sponsor us on these things. So friends, we hope that you have liked this video. And if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe it and share it with your friends also. So till next video, happy investing. Jai Hind.